Hi, this is Chris, 24K on Twitter, 24K on Instagram. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments and of course thumbs up. Today I'm showcasing the Sabinetek SmartMike Plus. So here it is. It's made for the iPhone, iPad, and iPod Touch. It's a clip-on microphone that's also Bluetooth. This is the recharge port right here. It's micro USB. You can plug in headphones up here. Here's the on and off button right there, and then the clip. It's as simple as that. You pair it to your phone or your mobile device, and you can start recording wirelessly. So it's very easy to use, and it works like an audio device that's connected to your phone, like a headset. This is from Sabinetek, and you can use this in all kinds of applications. But we like that it's relatively inexpensive, and of course that it's wireless.